Hi besties, today's recipe is emergency smoky jollof rice. Are you wondering why it's emergency? Don't worry, you will soon find out. Shout out to my returnees, in fact, everybody, my subscribers. I love you guys so much. Please keep supporting your girl, okay? Keep supporting your girl. Let's dive into the video. So your girl will be doing some butcher work here, so I need to sharpen my knife very well, okay?
Tasty, I like that. This side, yeah, Biani Pankwa. Say cheese, we don't start. Dr. Roscoe, they give you all the fire. And you never.
Let me chop my vegetables, okay? So those onions. All right, so let me explain everything to you. So I was there this afternoon and my bestie just came unannounced, okay? She told me she was just passing by and she needed to come here to eat some jollof. I said, what? To eat what jollof? I don't have any jollof in the fridge. Oh. She said, I don't care. You prepare some for me. I said, okay. So I went to my fridge and my freezer searching for available ingredients, and thank God I got something to prepare for her. Honestly, she looks so hungry, and I can't watch my bestie go hungry like that. So this is beef that I got from my freezer. Okay, so when I saw this beef, she was so happy. She was so happy that at least I found a protein for the recipe. Okay, so here am I washing my beef very well. So I'm using this mini helper. Okay, that's my mini rice cooker. It's really helped. Okay, it's really helped. So as you can see, I added my beef seasoning, my salt, all seasoning, and then I just added a little water, stirred very well to combine, and then I plugged it. Okay, so that's the plantain. Do you know why? She told me that I have to peel the plantain and chop it aside. Not knowing she wanted me to fry the plantain so she can start eating it. Hey, this girl, she tricked me. So the meat is also, it is cooking very well. So I fried the plantain, and after frying, my dear, within a twinkle of an eye, it's finished. Okay, so I use the same oil to fry the beef. Okay, so as you can see, it is frying very well. All right, so that was tomato paste. If you've been watching my recipes, you know I fry my tomato paste for about 5 minutes before I go ahead and add other ingredients. The reason why I do this is, tomato paste had a sour taste. Okay, so if you don't fry it for the sourness to get out, Charlie, you will eat your stew or your soup and you won't enjoy it. That is how come I mostly fry them. But you see, the oil I used was enough. Okay, but this stew is telling me that I didn't use enough oil. I won't mind it. So I added my seasoning. Okay, my stew seasoning, some curry powder, some salt, some shrimp cube. Okay, and then I stirred it. Okay, so you can, if yours is like this, you can go ahead and add enough oil. Okay, for me the oil is okay. I'm not an oil person. Okay, so I went ahead and added my rice. So you are wondering why I didn't wash my rice. Please go ahead and wash your rice. Okay, the rice I use is different from the rice you might be using. So I added my stock, okay, my beef stock, and water. Please watch your water. When you get visitor and you want to impress jollof will disgrace you mercilessly. So me, I didn't even mind the jollof. I was just doing my thing because I know that jollof or in. So the moment you get a visitor and you want to impress jollof, it's going to disgrace you badly. Okay, so because I'm making a smoky jollof rice, I need to use a napkin. Okay, so I could get this smoky effect in the jollof on the napkin and pinning pia bonti so that it will be in the jollof. So that's the vegetable I had in my fridge and I added it, and she was happy. At least she was so happy that at least I got something. I wasn't also prepared to prepare jollof for her, but the jollof is given. Trust me, it smells so nice, guys. I'm saying that she ate all the plantain. She didn't even leave one. This girl, Anyways, the jollof is almost done. It is almost done. They took the light, okay, so I didn't really video her while she was enjoying it, but I tried doing it, but it was dark. So don't worry, next time I will do it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.
Dr. Ross's kitchen. The Diane Bankoa. Ross's kitchen.